Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do contracts in Farming Simulator 25. So it is easy and simple to do. So press escape button and navigate here to the contracts, and you will see the bale wrapping, baling, deadwood, fertilizing, harvesting, and etc. A lot of work to do. So how to do the contract? So select that you want to do. So as you can see, you will need to use your own equipment or lease equipment for a reward reduced by 400 euros. And right here you can borrow the items or accept the contract. And as you can see, the contract is accepted, and you'll need to go to the 92 field and here to do a bale wrapping. So that's pretty much it. You can find that in the map 92 field, and that's how you do your contract. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.